Your PC is connected to the internet, but is it really protected? A firewall acts like a security gate for your computer. It blocks hackers and unsafe traffic and allows only trusted connections inside. Without a firewall, malware, hackers, and unsafe apps can enter your system easily. Now sometimes apps, servers, or network services won't work unless you allow a specific port in Windows Firewall. Let me show you how to add a port in Windows 11 Firewall, step by step. First, click Start and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click Advanced Settings. On the left side, select Inbound Rules, then click New Rule. Choose Port and click Next. Now select TCP or UDP and enter the port number you want to allow. Click Allow the connection, choose the profile, domain, private, or public. Finally, give the rule a name and click Finish. That's it. Your port is now open and ready to use. Remember, only open ports you really need. Security always comes first. Follow for more IT support, networking, and cybersecurity tips.